Do not buy your next property without a general home inspection. What is a general home inspection? It's an all-encompassing report done by a professional home inspector that covers all the major components of the house. Think of it as a checkup with your doctor when you go, but for your house. They cover the roofing, plumbing, electricity, as well as all the other components, such as the water heater and the furnace. My name is Daniel Ripper with Compass Real Estate. Let's go take a look inside. See you next time.